In a really good new feature for AWS IAM, it now provides the last accessed action information for more than 140 services to help you refine the permissions of your IAM roles. You can now review action, last accessed information, identify unused permissions, and refine to scope down the access of your IAM roles to only the actions that they use for services such as CloudWatch, KMS, ELB, EC2, or any other. You can also use action last accessed information as part of your periodic review process to restrict the access granted to IAM roles to just the required permission. In order to view that, all you need to do is to go to your IAM console, and then, for example, you want to check for this role, such as demo test role, when was the permission in this role were last accessed. So go to Access Advisor tab, and then from there you can see this last column, last accessed. This shows me that this has not been accessed in the tracking period, and the tracking period starts when you create the resource and goes on, and it always updates when you access it. So as you can see that this since this role has been created, this permission has never been granted, so we can simply and safely remove this one. So as I mentioned earlier, this allows you to periodically audit your resources. So this is a very valuable information, and this is now available in all AWS regions where the corresponding AWS services are supported. And you can check on this AWS documentation which services are supported at the moment. So if you scroll down, there are heaps of them. As I said, there are 140 of them, and I believe soon every service from AWS